Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing artificial intelligence called Haiper. All the videos and short animations you saw in this intro were created using Haiper. This tool allows you to create video content. Haiper can transform your text descriptions into high-quality, high-definition videos just by providing a hint. This feature is called text-to-video. Plus, Haiper can bring your images to life with exciting animations and allows you to customize the colors, styles, and content of your videos to suit your preferences. A function to increase the length of videos is also available. Where can this tool be used? With it, you can create films, documentaries, or animations to share your story. Haiper also helps create quality educational videos to help your students learn more effectively. As a content creator, you can use Haiper to create engaging videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more platforms. Creating videos from scratch can be difficult and costly, but Haiper helps you save your time and money by automating this process. This tool opens up new creative possibilities for you, opportunities, and helps you create unique content that will interest your audience. Videos are a powerful tool to attract and retain the attention of viewers. On the main page at the top, we see the main functions of AI. Create video with text, animate image, repaint video. I haven't figured out how this function works yet. And the last, extend video, coming soon. Below are all the works created by others by users. Currently, all features of the Haiper website are completely free, but this may change in future. So let's start at the bottom of the box where we can paste a hint of what we want to see. Let's choose a video duration of 4. Let's generate the first video. This is what we got. The cutest creature, isn't it? Let's generate another video. Use the same hint. With each generation, the pictures will be different from each other, and its own seed appears. Each generation has its own seed. You can do many generations. But if you want to get more or less the same image, use same seed. Try it. Let's make some changes to the hint. Generate it, keep the same seed. And this is what happened. You can add different styles. Here they are when you click on them. They are inserted into the tooltip text automatically. Experiment. Animate your pictures. Select the animate image mode. Select your picture on the computer, click on the Generate button. Let's generate the same image and select the appropriate one.
I know that the paranormal is real. Listen.
Let's do a few more generations. So in the video editor, we will combine them into one video. Under each video received, we can click on a heart, and then all these videos will end up in the favorites section. You can download it to your computer. After that, you can collect all the relevant footage into one complete video.